This is a very magical and very genuine contract. So I will check and I will show to you this is how is work. So vision and mission. The vision and mission is that Squaretron is here to ensure it with the unique binarical matrix program. So many pupils will earn and earnings many trons in few days. So what is about us? So about us, welcome to 100% transparent and 100% decentralized opportunity. Squaretron is the digital platform which provide you a superb opportunity for your bright future with the guidance of dedicated team and committee professionals having best experience in network marketing. Friends, I want to tell you about Tron Square. I am also studying and watched this plan before 1.5 months ago. I heard about this and then I will research on them and take completely fully time to verify this algorithm, and finally I will deposit my some trons in Tron Square 1st of January 2021. After that I am seeing the magic of Tron Square in 13th of January 2021. So what is this? I'm thinking I want to tell you everything about this plan. So let's get next step. Advantage with Squaretron. This is completely decentralized smart contracts. There is no admin. 100% verified smart contract listed in Tron blockchain. The algorithm inside the blockchain cryptocurrency. What is Squaretron? Squaretron is a 2x8 binarical matrix. Entries are placed from top to bottom, left to right in a sequence manner in multiplies of 2. That's mean if you enter in Tron Square project, then you can refer A and B and get 100% of referral income from A and B. Then these persons will also duplicate and they will also join pupil A and B and they will receive 100% referral income. So there is no middleman, there is no admin, there is no any back door. This is just 7-level structure and have maximum achievement from this structure we have for the first time in the world. This will ensure that each and every community member derives the maximum potential of his entire structure and get maximum earning. So what is the exact business plan or presentation of Tron Square? So here you can see joining only 900 trons, and you can join with 900 trons and earn minimum 12 crore trons. If you follow all the algorithms and this PPT, so you can 100% earn trons, because I am experienced with 15 days with this plan and I am ensure that I will promote this plan because no backdoor, no problem in management, no issue in software. So first of all, you will join with 900 trons with the token pockets, TronLink Pro, Tron Wallet, which is you want. So then you can join 900 tron with. So if you recommend 2 pupils only from 900 trons and 900 trons, then all turnover you will get 1800 tron. So after that, this is your first level. Then you can upgrade in second level. So upgradation charge is 1200 trons. So your net profit will be 600 trons. Here sponsors income is 100%. This is your first level and you will get 100% of sponsors income. So you will get 1800 trons total. All these pupils which is you join to your team, so they will also join A and B, C and D, E and F. So they will give 1200 trons every person. So your total turnover will be 4800 trons, and you will upgrade 2800 trons and you will get third level. So your net profit will be 2000 trons and your income will be 3840 trons, because this is your downlines income and you are the upline of that team, so you will get 3840 tron. After that, all 4 pupils, which is second layers team, that recruit 2 persons, everyone. So your total team size will be 8 pupils and your total turnover will be 22,400 trons, and you will upgrade 900 trons and your profit will be 13,400 trons. But this income divided all the sponsors, because 4,480 trons will get your sponsors and 17920 trons will get your upline. So your total income will be 13,400. After this, and as it is, all the levels will be upgraded and you will earn finally in 7 levels. Your total income will be 1,35,76,960. So you will get this income from your team and your total team will be 238 members only. You will earn 1,35,76,960 tron only from 238 pupils. So there is very easy. Only you join with 900 trons and you will recommend 2 pupils and they recommends 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 2 pupils for 7 levels, and then they will get incomes and they will upgrade. Simple. So what is the non-working income? So finally I will clear to you. When first is you will join and you recommend 2 pupils, so your turnover will be 1800 tron and upgrade 1200 tron, your income will be 600 tron. Then you will recommend 4 pupils or your team recommend 4 pupils and upgrade 1200, then upgrade 2800 trons and your income will be 2000 tron. Then after here you can see here you upgrade first level, then second level, then third level. After that your no need to upgrade fourth level, you upgrade smart matrix which is 500,000 tron. So you will click 500 trons and get income 95,000 trons. After that you will get 5,000 tron in 15 days and remaining 90,000 tron you will get in 1 month. So I will show some proofs also after this business presentation. After that you will upgrade 9,000 matrix level, and after that you will click in silver matrix and you will get 9.5 lakh TRX. After that you will earn totally 10 lakh trons. Then you will upgrade 25,000 trons and click on gold matrix which is 1 lakh trons slot and you will earn 19 lakh TRX. Then your income is total 30 lakh trons and 30 lakh trons. So you will upgrade 50,000 and then click royal matrix and you will pay 5 lakh and get 95 lakh trons. Then you are the millionaires of the TRX. So finally you can earn 12 crore trons in step by step. After that you will upgrade 1 lakh and crown matrix 50 lakhs. So you will finally get 9.5 crores tron. So how will you find and how is working system? So finally you join with 900 trons. Then A, you will recommend 2 pupils A and B. You will 900 and 900 from both. So you will earn 1800 tron. So 1800 trons. So upgrade you 1200 and second levels or not, net profit will be 600 tron. Then A and B also recommend 2 pupils A1, A2 and B1, B2. So you will get 4800 trons and your total income will be, because you will eligible for 80% of the recommendations, so you will earn 3840 TRX as on earn multiple trons from your team. So this is your all metrics description, all metrics. So we will check smart contract, this is verified or not. So we will close this PPT and this is a website tronsquare.io, and when we will click in smart contracts which is in blue, so then you will check here, this is project name Squaretron, information creator, This smart contract created in 23 of November of 2020. So there is no very old project. This is a new project. So you can earn easily. And this is a contract. I will click on contract. So you can see contract source code is verified and perfect match. So you can check, and I will show you some IDs there entered in system. First of all, we enter a ID number which is proofs of income of a smart matrix, silver matrix, gold matrix, and many more matrix. So first ID is 9501. So you can click on view and you can see all these details about the ID numbers and earnings. You can see here is smart matrix income 5000 tron. This ID placed 1st January of 2021 and he will get 5000 and he got and he upgraded next matrix. This is called silver matrix from 50,000. This person will 100% get 10 lakh tron. And again, and next ID, this ID also placed 1st of January to 2021 and this person earned 55,000 TRX and upgraded smart matrix gold smart matrix. This person got 5,000 from smart matrix, 50,000 from silver matrix in only 15 days. So this is many, and this person not sponsored many more team, only one direct, and only direct income is 900 tron. So you can check here 100% sponsors income. This person recommend a pupil and that pupil pay 900 tron by default. And next ID, I will show all IDs are from 15 December to 1st January. This guy direct 4 pupils only and direct income will get 3600 tron, and this person get all 95,000 TRX. This person got 95,000 TRX and upgraded only 5,000 smart matrix. So this ID can prove Tron Square magic work exactly as on I explained. And next ID I will show 513946. You can see all these IDs. This ID also placed 28 December and this person recruit 17 persons and earn direct income. And here is a magic. This person got matrix income 7,45,000 tron and this person upgraded royal matrix which is 5 lakh tron matrix, and this person also got 100% 1 crore TRX because this is a royal matrix, and royal matrix pay for this person is 95 lakh tron, and silver matrix pay 10 lakh tron, and gold matrix pay 20 lakh tron, and smart matrix pay 95,000 tron. So total I think so this person 100% got 1 crores plus tron. And next ID I will show. This is a proof, some proofs. There is many IDs. I will show some of these. You can see also this ID. This person recommended 11 pupil and got matrix 10,45,000 TRX from only gold matrix. This person also earned 30 lakh trons from smart matrix 100% guaranteed because this project is very new and very trusted and 100% decentralized. No admin, no backdoor from threat and no bug. So all these things I can explain and you can call me or WhatsApp me for any more information. So most welcome. If you want to join, so in the description box you got the link of joining and the calling number or WhatsApp number, so you can frequently call me anytime 24/7. I will respond as soon as possible. So I hope so you will gain some knowledge, some education from this video. I hope so you can ensure to subscribe my channel, like the video and share this project to many other friends. So bye bye, good day.